Despite a Supreme Court ruling declaring the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte unconstitutional, some senators believe that the Senate should still move forward with the trial. Here is a report.
Senator Risa Ontiveros says she is ready to push for the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. This despite the Supreme Court's ruling that the complaint is unconstitutional and that the Senate has no jurisdiction over the case. Senate President Chis Escudero had earlier warned that a constitutional crisis could erupt if the Senate insists on holding the impeachment trial. But Ontiveros said they will make sure that doesn't happen.
Wala namang may gustong magkaroon ng constitutional crisis ni political gridlock. Kaya nga talagang binubuno namin these days, these weeks, kung papaano tamang dapat kumilos ang Senado. At lahat nito ay pinag-aaralan namin sa ngayon at ihahain namin ng kompleto pagdating sa plenary sa August 6.
As of now, Ontiveros has signed a draft resolution authored by Senator Kiko Pangilinan, urging the Supreme Court to reconsider its ruling on the impeachment case against the Vice President. The resolution was also signed by Senator Bam Aquino and Senate Minority Leader Tito Soto. It emphasizes the statements of former justices who opposed the Supreme Court's decision.
Nagsasite po siya ng mga references sa ilang mga dating justices na nagbibigay ng payo kung paano, ilang mga gabay kung paano pwedeng mag-move forward.
Members of the minority, including Ontiveros and Soto, say Senator Mig Zubiri respects the resolution, but Zubiri stands firm on his position that the Senate must comply with the Supreme Court ruling.